Hi, are you CEO of an organization or a CTO, maybe a CMO, or you are head of a product and engineering, or you could be an engineer in a team? So tell me, my friends, do you struggle with taking out your applications and solutions to the market on time, in great speed, and with a finite budget which is under your control? Do you struggle sometimes thinking about how will you hire the team? How much time will it take? How much work does it require to build the dream app or solution that you want to take to the market? And how fast are your iteration cycles to keep delivering to the customer what they require? And how ahead are you able to stay off your competition because of that? Often, in the field of technology, what it takes to build a great solution is a big list. It takes for you to first do an estimation of what you require. Then you need to go and find out your team. And after that, once you found out your team, you come together to work out the architecture, the design of the solution, and then you go start developing the solution interface by interface by interface, API by API by API. And then what happens? After that, you need to do quality analysis, and then you need to do user acceptance. It's such a long process and it takes a lot of time to get there. And often in the process, you compromise perhaps on quality of a solution, on the performance of a solution, on the scalability of a solution, and maybe you even have some stressful evenings where you can't really go to sleep. So technology, my friends, technology that we take months to build and often years to build, and we need to hire a big team for that. What if that technology could be available to you right on day zero? Which means, what if you had all of this technology you typically build in a solution, all the 11 or 12 components of a solution architecture of a modern microservice backend? What if all of those features and your basic APIs are available to you out of the box? So that all you need to do is configure your rules in the system and your solution is up and live. So this is what we do at MindGrep. And hi, I am Ayush, the CEO of MindGrep Technologies. I am a graduate from IIT Kanpur in computer science and engineering. And this is the problem I, along with my team, have been working for last few months and years. So across all our customers that we have delivered in the past, we have been collecting reusable components of technology. We have been abstracting the same problems so that we don't have to repeat the same attempt every time when trying to solve the same problem again and again. So we bring all of this experience of making enterprise solutions over the past 12 years as a company to you and give you solid technology out of the box so that you can go to market right away, test your application, and even scale it even if you are in a growth stage. Also, it is very easy to start migrating your system onto our system and start using this as bits and pieces and integrate with your system so that you can have a solid modern microservice backend for your organization's strategic benefit. And regarding the pricing, our offers are always friendly to startups and as well as enterprises, and there are also developer licenses so that developers can try it out and play around with it without having to worry about any payments. So my friends, if you're really looking for some great technology in your organization and you want to gain a strategic advantage in the market out there, then MindGrep is your destination, because we'll not only give you great strategic advice and consulting on technology, but there is also option that you could use one of our existing and ready-made frameworks to gain the edge you really need in the market. And instead of 6 months, you can go live within 6 days. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Check out all our other videos about MindGrep, our offerings and everything. And if you feel there is something we could do for you, if you are a person who's looking to make something and be really successful with that as an individual or as a team, then definitely get in touch with us and maybe we can help you out. Thank you very much.